Introduction to Saving for Your Dreams. This is Gia. She left her family to work in a factory in the city so that she can fulfill her dreams. She realizes she runs out of money at the end of the month. Gia wonders why her money is running low. But what can Gia do? Gia decides to open a savings account with a bank. She chose this bank for 3 reasons. First, because it charges the lowest fees. Second, it has offices or ATMs that are nearby her home and workplace. And finally, because the bank pays interest to Gia on the money she leaves with them. Now Gia keeps her money in the bank instead of hiding it at home. Gia can take out her money anytime she wants because the bank offers free ATM withdrawals. She also uses her debit card to pay at stores. If Gia has leftover money at the end of the month, she saves it with the bank. The bank will also pay her interest for keeping money in the account so her savings can grow over time. There are months when Gia does not have leftover money. She decides to spend less the following month. Gia now realizes how much money she spends by looking at her bank balance. When her savings run low, Gia works more overtime hours or spends less. After many years in the city, Gia decides it's time to go home. By saving, Gia has fulfilled her dreams to take care of her parents and run the family business.